Our project title is Reserve Room Technique for Reversible Data Hiding. Our project members are Acham Sirisha, Jeffrin Mary, Kirtana, and Yuvareka. And our project is guided by Mr. S. Lokesh, Assistant Professor, EC Department. Abstract. Our project is about the enhancement of protection system for secret data communication. For preserving the image quality during recovery, reserve room approach is used. Finally, image and the hidden data will be recovered without any loss. Objective. Reversible data hiding in images aims to embed the secret information into the original cover that can be recovered without any loss. For enhancing the system for secret data communication over unsecured channel based on image encryption and data hiding techniques. Proposed method. In our proposed method, we use data embedding using RDH technique, data concealment by adaptive least significant bit replacement technique, and chaos encryption, and we also use reserve room before encryption based data hiding approach. The methodologies in our project are lifting wavelet transform, chaos encryption, and adaptive LSB replacement. This is the block diagram of image encryption and data hiding. First, we are taking the input image, which is of RGB plane, and in block separation, we are selecting the blue plane image, which is the darkest plane. By using lifting wavelet transform, we are separating the pixel values. Chaos encryption is used for encrypting the image with the help of detail coefficient extraction. On the other side, the secret data also undergoes chaos encryption. In data concealment, we are going to embed the secret data into the image, from which we get stego encrypted image from which we can analyze the performance. This is a block diagram of decryption and data extraction. For this purpose, we use stego encrypted image. The recovered data is obtained with the help of data extraction and text decryption. The extracted image is obtained with the help of image decryption. Lifting wavelet transform. Lifting wavelet transform is used for converting DWT coefficients to integer coefficients, and it is also very much useful for reserving the space for hiding data with minimum distortion. This is the block diagram of lifting wavelet transform. First, we are taking the input image, which undergoes vertical decomposition, by which we get low pixel value, high pixel value, and further it undergoes horizontal decomposition, by which we get low level pixels, high level pixels, low high pixels, and high low pixels. This slide shows the formulas for calculating all the pixel values. Now we are going to see about the reverse lifting scheme. Reverse lifting scheme is nothing but the inverse process of lifting wavelet transform. The first image shows the input image, and second image is the blue plane image, and the third image is the transformed image. Chaos encryption. Chaos encryption is one of the advanced encryption to encrypt the image for secret transmission. It is also done using logistic mapping with the help of chaotic map sequence. This is the image encryption flow for chaos encryption. First, we are going to initiate constant factors u and x. The value of u is between 0 to 1. The value of x is between 0 to and 4. This undergoes chaotic sequence generation. And further, the thresholding function is also done with the help of the comparison of the low threshold and the high threshold. And the bit XOR operation is done with the help of input image, by which we get the encrypted image. In this slide, we can see the cover image as well as the encrypted image. Adaptive LSB embedding. Adaptive LSB embedding consists of m cross n pixels, and the secret image consists of k bits. However, with the increasing number of LSBs, the quality of image degrades. The hiding process will introduce the error between input and output image, and it is determined by the mean square error and peak signal to noise ratio. Algorithm flow. This is the algorithm flow for adaptive LSB technique. First, we are taking the decomposed image, from which we are selecting the high pixel values. Among the pixel values, we are selecting the pixel values whose coefficient is shown here. And then we are also taking the message bits of the secret data. If the payload of the message is 3, the first 3 bits of the message is induced in the last 3 bits of the coefficient, and after the LSB replacement process, the coefficient will be as follows. And finally, we can also do the inverse transform to get the stego image. Data extraction. Image and the data are extracted from the stego encrypted image. The secret data can be extracted from the embedded image with the help of key matrix. Finally, extracted secret text data in the form of ciphertext is then converted into plain text using chaos decryption process. This slide shows the encrypted image and the required image. Performance analysis. The performance can be analyzed with the help of mean square error, peak signal to noise ratio, and the correlation coefficient. The correlation coefficient is used to find the similarity between two different images with their intensity. It is calculated by the formula with the help of cover image and the encrypted image. Peak signal to noise ratio. Peak signal to noise ratio is calculated with the formula 10 log 10 255 square divided by mean square error. Mean square error is also calculated by the formula which is the summation difference between the input image and the embedded image divided by the product of the number of rows and columns. Sample text encryption and recovery. In this, we have shown the input text, ciphertext, and the decryption text, which is same as the input text. Performanceometrics. The performance can be calculated with the help of mean square error, which is very less compared to the previous methods, and the peak signal to noise ratio, which is high compared to the previous projects. Advantages. Less computational time for image encryption, more security than previous methods, data hiding capacity is high, and very less degradation of image quality in the recovery process. Application. Secret data communication and defense, Research Institute, medical information protection. Softwares. Softwares we use are MATLAB 7.5 and above versions. This window shows the process execution and output in MATLAB. First image is the input image, second image is the blue plane image, third image is the transformed image, fourth image is the chaos encrypted image, and fifth image is the required image. This is our command window in MATLAB. Conclusion. What we have concluded in our project is that the protection of image quality and the protection of hidden data is achieved during transmission, and drifting wavelet transform is used to reserve space for the secret transmission of the data. And finally, the performance of the system are evaluated with the quality factors such as mean square error and peak signal to noise ratio. We have written our program in the editor window of the MATLAB. After the execution of the program, we will get the output as the first image is the original image, the second image is the blue plane image, third image is the transformed image, and the fourth image is the encrypted image, and the fifth image is the recovered image. We can also have a look at the command window, which will have the parameters such as input text, ciphertext, and decryption text, and also all the performance factors. Thank you.